Hi, I'm Daryl. I'm with Leith BMW, and I'll be assisting you with your vehicle today.
In this video, we're going to cover brake regeneration in an electric vehicle. So in covering brake regeneration, the one thing about electric vehicles is you want that brake to recharge your battery. When you're driving in normal driving conditions like we are right now, and we have our vehicle in normal driving mode, it's just allowing that electric battery to drain. But when you're in bumper-to-bumper conditions, you want to have your vehicle in brake regeneration mode, which allows that battery to recharge from the braking. So what we're going to do, we're going to move this right over into brake regeneration mode. I'm going to slide this down. And as we drive and we come up to a different stop sign like we are right now, we're going to allow the car to brake itself and recharge that battery, just like this. All you do is let your foot off the brake. It will come to a complete stop by itself. And that is how you use brake regeneration in an electric vehicle.